Where is the menu button on my Samsung Smart TV remote?
Hello everyone, welcome to our instructional video. Today, we're going to show you where to find the menu button on your Samsung Smart TV remote. This button is your gateway to numerous features and settings, so knowing its location is crucial.
Identifying your Samsung Smart TV remote.
Before we proceed, it's important to note that Samsung remotes may differ slightly in design depending on the model and year of your smart TV. Generally, most Samsung remotes follow a standard layout, so the menu button should be in a similar place. However, some newer models have done away with the traditional menu button, replacing it with a home or smart hub button.
Locating the menu button on a traditional Samsung remote.
For most Samsung TV remotes, you'll find the menu button located in the middle area of the remote, often directly below the directional pad or volume and channel buttons. It is typically labeled as Menu or Menu.
Locating the menu button on a modern Samsung remote.
On newer Samsung remotes, such as the One Remote, the menu function might be accessed via the Home button or Smart Hub button. This button often features an icon that looks like a house and is located towards the center of the remote. Once you've pressed this button, a menu should appear on your television screen, where you can navigate using the directional pad to access different settings. We hope this video has been helpful in locating the menu button on your Samsung Smart TV remote. Remember, the design may vary slightly depending on your remote's model and the year of your TV. Enjoy exploring all the features your Samsung Smart TV has to offer.